The dashboard is a great place to get some quick information about your entities and your Field Profit Center reports. To do this, go up to the upper right corner, choose Dashboard, and as you can see, I am currently looking at my entity reports on the screen, which would be my income statement and balance sheet. So in order to deep dive into the income statement, you can click on one of the three widgets, and that will pull the report up on the screen, which I can now do a deep dive and see the numbers, or I can choose export and print. Now there might be reasons why you're not seeing the pie charts and bar graphs, and one reason might be because the date range is incorrect. So for example, if I choose 2020 and hit apply, you'll see that I don't have any reports available for that year. So I actually started my accounting in 2022, so if I go back to date range and choose year, hit apply, you'll see the widgets reappear on the screen. The other reason why you may not be seeing the widgets could be your entity selection. So as you can see, I have two different entities selected. If I was to uncheck these, that would obviously create a problem where I would not be able to see the widgets down below. So just making sure you have the entities selected that you want for this for the widgets, as well as the date range, and that will be a quick fix for you to be able to see these things. The other thing to point out is for report type, we're looking at the entity widgets. So if I want to switch that to crop zone, this is going to be my Field Profit Center report. So if I tap on this widget, that will pull that those reports up on the screen. I'm looking at 24 fields currently on one report. You do have the ability to select these and change them. And let's say I want to look at my corn 2022, and perhaps I want to look at just these two fields and hit apply, choose update report. That will update that report to show just the two fields.